Hey Bougie Baes, it's the Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the Bougie Crib because it's the bougie way or no way, period. Today I am back with another video. I will be installing this wig from UNice Hair. This wig I did install glueless, so I did not use Ghost Bond. I did use the freeze spray, the Got To Be freeze spray, and I used my hair gel as well. They'll be dropping on my website very soon. This wig is a 24-inch Brazilian straight 180 density front lace wig, and it's so pretty, super silky and soft, super silky. Like, let's get into this silk, okay? This is 24 inches of silk. So pretty, so pretty. Y'all know I love my black straight hair, period. That's my favorite hair to have, is black straight hair, and I love this hair. So this look is just basically like just a simple look. I didn't really do any baby hairs here. I just did a middle part, and I plucked the part a little bit, plucked the front a little bit. Didn't pluck the sides too much just yet. I just want to show y'all how I did this quick look. Literally this quick, like it was so quick. And this is just something like, switch your look real quick. And you got a lot of wigs, this is a quick look for you, quick middle part look. So yeah, like I said, I didn't use my Ghost Bond, which the Ghost Bond, it lasts a very long time. When I use my Ghost Bond, I do like 3 layers and it lasts me like 2 weeks. But since today I was going for a middle part look, I just threw on this silky 24-inch 180 density wig and I just sprayed it down with the freeze spray and plucked it a little bit, and that's really all there is to it. And I'm ready for my day. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get this look. Continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. So the wig came in this cute little Christmas box. On the back of the box, it tells you how to wash the wig and stuff like that. It came with a scarf. It came with an adjustable elastic band and also a wig cap. The wig has a comb on each side, and then it has a 1 comb in the back. So now we're gonna do our bald cap routine. So basically, you just put on your wig cap and then you spray around the edges with your Got To Be freeze spray, and then you're gonna cut holes in the ears on both sides, so that way the wig cap will lay flat and secure. And then you're just gonna go in and blow dry it until it is dry. Once the cap is dry, then we're gonna go in and cut off the extra pieces of the cap that we did not spray down with our Got To Be freeze spray. And then we're gonna go in with our LA Color Mineral Powder Foundation. And we're going to basically cover the whole front part of the cap with the foundation. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my hair gel from my product line, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the pieces that are still kind of sticking up, that didn't get any freeze spray, okay? And I'm just going to go in and blow dry that until it is dry. now we're going to use our same powder foundation that we use for our cap, and we're just going to put it all over the lace. So instead of bleaching the knots, this is what I do. And then we're just going to put the wig on, and we're about to install. So basically I'm just making sure the placement of the wig is right, and then I'm just going in and cutting the ear flaps, I guess, I don't know, cutting the sides. And then what I'm going to do after that is I'm just going to lift up the wig and put some of my hair gel around the front of the hairline. And then I'm going to go in and blow dry that until it is tacky, and then we'll go from there. Once the hair gel is tacky, we're going to place the lace on top of the gel, and then we're going to go in and spray the lace where we're going to be like laying our lace. We're going to spray the lace with the freeze spray. This is like a quick method that I've learned to do instead of using the ghost bond. So this is real quick, and this works for me. It may not work for you. Okay, so I don't want to hear nothing. I'm just showing y'all what I do. So this is what I did to do a quick install, and I actually like this technique, by the way. So once I go in and blow dry, and once it's dry, I go ahead and just cut in a zigzag motion, cut off the extra lace on both sides. Now, if some pieces of the lace are not sticking down, just go back in and spray, and then just use your blow dryer, and they should stick after that. So right here, I'm just brushing the hair out, and then I'm going to go in and part it, and I'm going to be using my wax stick from my hair product collection to go ahead and lay the part how I want it. And then I'm gonna go in and pluck the front. So I'm basically just working off of this middle part style. So I didn't really pluck the sides too much. I really plucked the front so it will look natural. Basically, so my middle part will look natural. And all of the hair that I plucked, I'm basically just gonna brush it out and move it out of my way. And then I'm just going to pluck the other side and do the exact same thing. So after all of that, I'm just going to go in with my hot comb to lay the hair flat. And right here I just took a cotton ball with some alcohol in it just to wipe off the extra freeze spray, gel, foundation, all of that, just to clean it up. And then I'm just using some dark brown eyeshadow. It's really like an eyebrow palette, and I'm just using the dark brown in it, and I'm just going in to make the lace look more natural to match my skin color. And then I'm plucking the front just a little bit more. Just look how silky straight this hair is. Like, it is bone straight, honey. I think I did a pretty good job making the front look super natural. What do y'all think? Don't hate. Do not even try to hate. And then right here, I'm just going in and plucking the part to make it a little bit more natural as well. And then I'm going to go in and just tie the hair up with the same scarf that they provided me with. And then I'm going to take it off. And this is just going to be so flat. Y'all not going to even believe it, okay? This no baby hair natural look is so cute. Like, I am obsessed. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video, babes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all.